Hi, it's Liz from learnluxembourgish.com. I have been publishing Luxembourgish English translations on Facebook for 4 years, since 2013, and over the years a lot of people have requested pronunciation, so generally we teach it in our courses, but I had a moment of time, so thought I would do a quick video and give you a sentence for Halloween today. So the sentence is: Ich verkleede mich als Hex. I'm dressing up as a witch. I'll say it again. Ich verkleede mich als Hex. Okay, so what other costumes did I already see this morning? I saw Spider-Man, a lot of Spider-Mans out there today. Ich verkleede mich als Spider-Man. Or Ninja Turtles. Okay, a turtle. Ich verkleede mich als Schildkröte. Schildkröte is turtle. And you can insert anything in there. Ich verkleede mich als Chewbacca. Okay, you get the idea. So I hope that helps learning Luxembourgish. Remember that you can learn all the basics of Luxembourgish in the Learn Luxembourgish book, available from www.learnluxembourgish.com and in all the major bookstores in Luxembourg. Happy Halloween!